Hello everyone, today I'll show how to connect your Rode mic, Rode regular mic, Rode Wireless Go To or Rode Me. You can connect any of these devices with your regular Android phone, or those have the C-type connector, as I'm using right now Google Pixel 7 Pro. But initially what I have done, as per instruction of Rode, I have purchased this one. This is SC7, and to connect this one with my C-type port, I have purchased this one. I have purchased this one. Just put one here and C-type port with my cell phone, but it didn't work with my Google Pixel 7 Pro. So later on I have get another solution by myself. Just I got this type of cable, or you can use one. It's come with the Rode wireless, or you can get this sort of cable from any local store. This is C2C, both are C type, so you get this sort of cable and just put one side here and another side in cell phone charging port, C type port. So by this way you can easily connect with the cell phone and you will get the good result or good sound. Like now it's working with my Google Pixel 7 Pro. So if you got any more question regarding this, you can put in comment section. I'll try to reply it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.